Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to automate Google search in our Python JARVIS program. So for that, we need to import a module named web browser. We will write import web browser, which can be easily installed from the terminal by writing pip install web browser, and then it will install it for you. So now let's write elif search in query. Then it would write query equals to query dot replace Jarvis with the rest of the code, and again we will write query which is equals to query dot replace search with rest of the code. So this two lines means that suppose we ask Jarvis like Jarvis search what is Python. So it will basically remove Jarvis and search from the query, and the rest of the code will be searched in Google. So now we will write speak searching and whatever is the query, and then it will speak in Google. And now we will write web browser dot open. So now we will specify the URL. So when we open the Google page, Google website, and search anything like Python, and this will be the basic URL to search anything, and which is accompanied with equal sign. So if you write equal to, like here we write equal to and search Java script, then it will search this in JavaScript. So we will copy this link here and write this in inverted commas and write this, and after that plus query. So this will search the query in Google. So let's try to run the program.
Initializing Jarvis. Internet connection detected. All systems have been activated. Good morning, sir.
Jarvis search Visual Studio Code.
Searching Visual Studio Code in Google.
So you saw this, right? Let me show you. So it searched Visual Studio Code in Google using this function. So this is how this Google automation works. You can ask anything and it will search this in Google. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel now.